Okay, so we're gonna go down this road right here. There's a little pension, Família. It's a little pension house. So we're gonna head down it. It's a little bit loud, and I want to show you what's around here as well. A lot of traffic for one behind me, and we'll show you all that too when we come back. Ooh, that's for typhoons and flooding. I'll tell you about that too when we come back. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna be going down that street in a minute, and I'm also gonna tell you about that. But before we do, we're also gonna so that's gonna be our focus in a minute. Kind of cool street. I want to show you this too, because we're right by this major street with this pretty cool library right there. So they painted these different buildings, and in the background there's also the ocean. So Inner Harbor waterfront is over there. So we're kind of at a cool spot just in general. Pretty busy road. This is a major road that goes north to south. And then you also have these, we're kind of in this little thing. Let me just kind of show you a little bit. So you can see all the way down. There's goes all the way to the south part of Macau. But we're going to be going down this little alley. How cool that looks, eh? So we're going to go down this little alley. This little alley is this one. I also want to tell you about this one. This is for, we had a typhoon that came through on Saturday, or Friday I think. So the typhoon, you put these little things up because there's a lot of flooding that comes in from the water over there. So there's always like a storm surge. So the water rises up, then it floods all these areas and they get quite wet. So the government started giving these to people so they could stop the flooding from coming in. Traditionally I'd use these bags, but that would, you know, bags has its own issues. There's the backside of this little pension house. So let's kind of show it a little bit. It's kind of a cool looking one. We're gonna get a street sign up at the end of the street, and then we can show you exactly, show you the name of this one. Travessa Escama. Let's take a look. There it is. Travessa Escama. So it's kind of a short little street because I think this turns into another one. So that's our short little street right there, which is kind of cool when you look at this one. This like has all wraparound windows like that. Step back a little bit. And then this one is called, let's just take a look real quick. I did film this one before. This is like a little dragon one. Mouth of the dragon. It's kind of cool. And this one's Rua de Palmeira. So this street right here is Rua de Palmeira. It goes all the way down. And then we have Travessa de Escama, which is the one that we just focus on. So let's just end it right there. Yeah, that looks cool with this. That one looks amazing. Okay, so let's end it right there.
Chiquinha,